Vestas manufacturing engineering is very much about building the entire data set needed to do manufacturing and construction. Manufacturing engineering is about building the full manufacturing bill of material, all of the structures for the entire turbine, building the entire set of process data to support our routing and planning, and it's building all of the master data needed to do sourcing on a global set. So if we didn't have the manufacturing data inside Windchill, you would see a much more lengthy process and a sequential process of getting our data ready for manufacturing. So first completing the design data and then afterwards, when it's transferred to SAP, again build the same sort of data, with consequences of quality, losing the traceability of data, having more manual data processes, so building bill of materials manually again, which leads to quality issues, basically due to increased room for errors. We have successfully transformed and started doing manufacturing bombs inside Windchill. We have implemented MPM Link to manage all of the manufacturing data, so both the manufacturing BOM, the process plan, and all of the data resources around the process, like tools. Some of the benefits we've seen is reducing the errors in setting up bill of materials. So now we can actually rely on a digital thread from our engineering data to manufacturing. We also see benefits in that we can automate some processes. As an example, generating work instructions used to be a complete manual process disconnected from the establishment of the process data. Now these two are connected and we can see a way to further automate that process.
Thank you for watching. If you're looking to accelerate time to manufacturing while ensuring small changes in engineering don't have a larger impact on production, PTC can help. Learn more by clicking the link in the description below, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel so you're notified when new videos are added. See you next time.